Abusia for Madam was said name so must I join me with the insurance classroom and say shape you. The last video the kind of principles of insurance, proximate cost and indemnity. We shall say and next also you must have trust what the principles of insurance. These are the basic principles. Now said I'm kind of principles we are here. Ebema ya insurance as ye because insurance ni nyina principles ye edimu akotini ye. And then you two principles are ye beka ho asem. Contribution and subrogation. Edi kan no ye fa contribution. The two insurance company has a contribution. Cry interest. Last video no ye kan indemnity ye kan say insurance no and yes, sir, BBC, or said, don't two baby and I would done a baby. And yes, I will come from, and yes, I will cost from. Baby and I would done and son or how no ban, a son of my near Massa Quenchenis, or said, don't two white pepe. And to the principles of contribution can say, Rebecca said, okay, and yes, sir, Matoka, my insurance will company A. Not the same car must have your insurance company B. Na said you jato car more. Meet me kwa jiha. Na me kwa jiha. And the car is 50,000. But what could insure the company A 50,000? And what could insure the company B to 50,000? It's up kwa jiha, just when you're saying 100,000. New one car you're saying 50,000. And just saying, waiting 50,000 for car. Now we're saying you 50,000 attribute. But you hear last video now, you say the principle of indemnity say insurance you are not supposed to gain. And you say nyam for so free. Nemo a boy said, am I a home trade to be a na dano, and they were talking pepe. And to work away insurance ha. Nanso so akwanhye sia. We see ka we here, but some more better be a penny saying 50,000 and 100,000. And the can answer our principle say insurance company A and insurance company B only and back together. I'm bar no more by 50,000 number. And we're more 25,000. Now we swap more 25,000. No one saying your 50,000. Not just a baby I would done. What's up with double paper? Well, where you be and come. What's a one then and so shoot. Me patch your task. And the contribution at the back. Eka na never question when they say so contribution by your juma was how so I just say insurance now we yama adia baako pay like a japadia baako with the same interest what you say into a car but you what two cars with me baako ha a different cars but so one car no na we ya higher dia that's when you be together not be tiao. Yaka principle of contribution I mean fa akwanya we so na menka sase way. Sometimes at a point insurance companies also need insure another policy holder when you asem so etimishia no more a contribute. Example say if you car akwanya akwanya obi a betwi car wasell driving mirror back home. But Oko market insurance is supposed to place you on the same level. No one. Baby, I now one and son accident. I did wash a day or mirror back home. Now, so we have a core market, who now one mirror, one side pen top, a day a pay, a hand hat. It's in a bazaar. You will say, it's insurance company, no better to Namamiana. The insurance company, a to 2 or more, it's just say you become better off. And then back up and say, it's a honor, insurance company suit to no contributing. Say the Chia Bako or Sutia and the account. Banning in an with insurance company, adding Kitahon, and who said ever call. A be also so, a Buakane, one side penny, a big tree, a carriage tree one side. Into you straighting Hori and that's a spray. But to so far, a corner so fast up when you're so, let me out spray or carny na. A horse so no insurance company will say, oh, I had affected into your pathway. It is a open saying, yeah, we can't in idea and your bra, let's be contributing. It's a contribution no person first on the church will see. Every contribution the last principle no and so the prof no more pass is subrogation. That's the last principle, subrogation. Now subrogation in like I said in na betiase. We should be a dear friend in na perform am na yatiase. Subrogation the kan na say sakwanhia kosia. Me fa na say car kwanhia. Ya pe car no because eno na you can insurance obi adwen say car and eno na bebree sunim. Tia na me fa car kwanhia no car. E di example bebree say e betiase. Fa say if you are doing fa say unni insurance. Fa say unni insurance for car. Fa say enye compulsory organ to the when insurance for car. And I walk and obi di ne car be bok car and as obi atobo abo no windscreen mo me fan say wapa ko car si baby and obi atobo abo windscreen na apai pacho wana ka be je free no uni insurance onya comprehensive insurance for car say ni pa no to abo car ni ka wa kwa jini pa no do so on fix windscreen ma pa say sanity sabe pepe but so comprehensive insurance the obey nyina say we can go to insurance company for them to pay to fix it for you because comprehensive insurance also cover our car against all accidental damage and malicious damage. So we are sure that to be crowd a cover. The insurance company fix him out here. Sa to me na ka wo say obetimi akwa free obetimi akwa sika free nipa na oto bobo car windscreen mo no. Insurance company omutua wo fix wo windscreen bia sa to me no e be di omonsa acha say e be di omonsa na afi omo so atimi anya to me na akọ enipa na obeto bobo car mu no akọ say omo so kwede omo kwakwa konchi sa sika na ka wetimi akọ from no omo wo sa mbe nya sa to me no atimi konchi enti the person chenya na say insurance company tuya insurance ma obiya. So, the principle of indemnity, they say we are not supposed to profit. And to want to make insurance company home, now we sound quite jiwo. Any pana said you or two bobo windscreen anymore. Pachatia say. So, what Jessica be our the principle of utmost good faith say, and yes, that's all can be insurance company. Pachatia was the principle that you can boom water. And the principle of indemnity say, oh, not profit. It's all quite J, so won't fix a windscreen ma wie. Maybe a nipa na sell car so bro sika for. The principle of utmost good faith say disclose everything. Can occur be a insurance company no. It is how the principles in the edge one. And the principles na yaka ni nyina no eye baako. Na se tiri na se insurable interest they start here near car utmost good faith, proximate cost, indemnity, contribution, subrogation. See, ti we yasia. Let's say insurance no. Yatia say na every. Eti abra ye we principles every aye na yatia say. Afi, the next video no, e dey be ra insurance na kasa products na kasa mu. Ama yati products na see ye. Eti no me bre o ha e be besua. Eti be some say yon koso ni share information about for months yanka and join the insurance classroom on Facebook and YouTube. Na yenti insurance asiye. Na yen say ade betimi aboye ya sitinemu aboye ho ban insurance. Na sansa ye beti asiye ye no. Just say yeti insurance na ho mra asiye. Medam wase.